Yeah, my name is Earl, and I don't care because it's plural. I got 3 young monies and they up in the fridge. And guess what? Yeah, I made the London Bridge. You see this stuff, I don't know what it is, but it looks like you. So yeah, this is this, and this is my man, and he's my backup dancer. And I got a cow, and his name is Mr. Prancer. This is my bro. Yeah, you wanna see him? See the lights glow, and you see it's a probe. He's an alien, he's gonna be in the ship. After you see him, man, you're gonna dip it in and dip. It's gonna be like chips up in the salsa. After you see me, you're gonna see me on ya. Hey, gonna be on the ground. 2 hits, I hit you and you hit the ground. And you ain't gonna be dead, you gonna be found. And when you found, you're gonna be in the ground. Young money in the house. You don't know me cause you my spouse. You be on the ground and you're making me sandwich, and I'll be kill you cause you're